Wealthfront app review. First, let me introduce Wealthfront is a robo-advisor designed for automated investing and financial planning. It offers low-cost portfolio management, smart savings tools, and tax-efficient investing. Installation and setup. The app is easy to install, and setup takes just a few minutes. You answer questions about your financial goals, and Wealthfront builds a personalized investment portfolio for you. Next, key features. Automated investing with diversified portfolios, tax loss harvesting to maximize returns, cash account with high-interest savings, 529 college savings plans and retirement accounts, and self-driving money for seamless financial automation. Performance and usability. The app is intuitive and beginner-friendly, making investing simple. It's great for hands-off investors but lacks in-depth customization for active traders. Next, pros and cons. Pros: low fees, 0.25% management fee, fully automated investing, and strong tax efficiency features. Cons: no human financial advisors and limited customization for stock pickers. In terms of pricing and plans, 0.25% annual management fee, $500 minimum investment for investment accounts, and cash account has no fees and no minimum balance. In conclusion, Wealthfront is a great set-it-and-forget-it investment app, perfect for passive investors looking for automated wealth building. However, if you prefer hands-on investing or want human advisors, it may not be the best fit. And that's all for this review. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.